Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hello guys. So in our last video we explored about for loop and while loop in Python, right? So now it's time to go little deeper and learn how to control those loops and using powerful tool like break, continue, else. And so let's level up your Python skills by this. So first I am going to explain about the break statement. Okay, what is break? So the break statement let you exit loop earlier. It means perfect for stopping when a certain condition is met. Got it? Got the point? No, let me give example so that you can easily understand. So this is the example I have taken here. If you see, for I in the range of 10, if I equal to 5, then we have to take break and print I. So what it's saying nothing. We have to take a break when I equal to 5. When it's reach I equal to 5, then it means from 0 to, we given the range of 10, right? From 0 to 4 it's going to be print. So let me execute. Yeah, see, we have printed from 0 to 4, it's going to be printed. How simple is that, right? So let me go in deeper in this logic. Okay, yeah, what it's saying, so when I equal to 5, then we have to take break. It means, so here we go, we taken the range of 10, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I am written 0 to 10. Okay, this is the range of 0 to 10. I mean, what it will do, very simple. So it will take, right, 0 1 2 3 4. Why only this much? Because we use the condition saying that if I equal to 5, then we have to take break. So it's going to be print only up to this. Got the point? When I reaches equal to 5, when it reaches I equal to 5, we have to take break. Means it's going to be not printed up to here. It's going to be printed. So let me go through in deeper. So what is range of 10? You have a question, right? What is range? Why range of 10? Why we use it range of 10? We can use not only range of 10, we can do whatever we want. So let me explain for the range as well. So see here, how is the range it's look like. So it's range nothing but this is the starting point and stop point and step. In range we have these three. Okay, so same code I am going to change now. Range of starting position we given 1. We have to start from 1, not 0. So that time we have to give 1 comma 10. Step, we don't need any step, default it will take 0. Okay, and if you run this one, if you see, I have run this one. Okay, what the output we got, it going to be started from 1, not 0. Now it going to be started from 1. Okay, it started from 1 2 3 4. Why? Because we given the range starting position 1 and ended when I equal to 5. Okay, so this is the output we got. Very simple, right? Okay, let me take step as well. So now you see the magic. I given the step of 2. Step of 2, what it will give? Step of 2, tell me, any guesses? So very simple. Step of 2 means we have starting from 1 and we have to take 2 steps. I mean, it will give 1 2 3. So what it will give output? 1 3. Why? 2 step you given, right? Now 3 4. Next it will give 5 5 5. It have to give 5, but we given the condition as if I equal to 5, we have to take break. So that time what happened, 5 is not going to be printed, only 1 and 3 is printed. Let me execute and see, 1 comma 3 is printed. Very simple, right? So this is what is AF range nothing but start, stop and step. Here is the one key point, always remember when you going given the 10, right, it will always says 10 minus 1 means 9, up to 9 it's going to be printed. Not understood? Okay, let me take one more. See, same code I have taken one more time, and here I have given the 1 comma 10 and I'm not going to use any conditions. Okay, this is what I have written, so let me execute. See, if you see, it started from 1 and ended up to 9. Why? Because stop always 10 minus 1 means 9. It's going to be printed always 9. Got it? Here is the very simple. So always remember what is stop. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 nothing but 9. 1 to 9 it's going to be printed. That's it. Very simple, right? I hope you understand this break function. So yeah, let me move on to the next. So here is the next. It means we have taken a break we have seen. I want to continue. So this second one is like continue. What is continue? So carefully observe what I am saying. So continue, skip the current loop it's going to be print and jumps to the next one. It means it's going to skip the current loop, what the condition we are giving, that's going to be skip to the next number. So let me take one example so that you will get the point. So here the very simple, for I in the range of 5, I have taken the 5, and if I equal to 2, then it's going to be continue, then print 1. What it's saying? So we given the I range of 5. How I explained range 0 1 2 3 4 5. Remember always 5 minus 1 4. You have to take only this. Okay, if I equal to 2, then continue. What it will do? Oh, I have missed the 2. Let me add. So I equal to 2. Continue means it's going to be skip the 2. Let me explain. Then it going to be print 0 1 3. Okay, 3 4. Yeah, you got the point. Yeah, it's going to be printed 0 1 3 and 4. We are taken the range of 5, so that's the reason up to 4 it's going to be printed. Always 5 minus 1 4. Remember this point. Then here very simple, 0 1 2 3 2 is skipped. Why skipped? In continue always it's going to be skip. I mean what I said, continue, skip current loop iteration and jumps to the next one. Very simple, right? I hope you understand this continue as well. Let me explain, take one more topic, that is else. Okay, here is the else with loops. How else works with the loops? Okay, else with loops. It's very interesting, right? Yeah, it's been Python is very interesting. Okay, let me take one more example for else. Python, it's like, very fun point, right? Python always an else block after a loop. If runs only if the loop completely normal without a break. Got it? Let me take an example. I hope you understand. See, if you see print of I, what it means? As for I in the range of 5, print I, else print loop is completed without break. Got it? We are not used any break, we are not used any continue. Here how it's going to be printed. See, 0 to 4 it is printed. Very simple, right? If I in the range of print, else print loops completely without break. Here is the very simple, we can use else with the loops like this. Yeah, okay, yeah. Now you got a full control over a Python loops. I hope so. So now if you enjoyed this one, hit a subscribe and tell me in the comment what I need to teach about next. So thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next.